Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to dive into a common problem that many developers face when trying to access Active Directory from an Azure App Service over a site-to-site VPN. The issue at hand revolves around getting an access denied error when attempting to set a password for a user account in Active Directory. Frustrating, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. The key here is to ensure that your connection to Active Directory is using SSL. By configuring SSL and using the FQDN of the domain controller instead of the IP address, you're ensuring that the connection is secure and matches the name on the certificate. Additionally, adding the context options, negotiate, SSL, and server bind will help establish a successful connection. Once these steps are in place, you should be good to go. In summary, we tackled a tricky issue involving accessing Active Directory from an Azure App Service over a site-to-site VPN. By implementing SSL and using the FQDN of the domain controller, along with the right context options, we were able to overcome the access denied error and successfully set a password for a user account in Active Directory. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Catch you in the next one.